There are many incidents where Rasulullah ﷺ was on the highest level of the mercy of Rasulullah, on the highest level of kindness. And this mercy was not only for the mankind, but for the animal even, for all the creations out there. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself describes about the mercy of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that فَبِمَا رَحْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنْتَ لَهُمْ وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَضًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانْفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ. That it's a great mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you have been kind to them. Had you been harsh and hard-hearted towards them, they would have all broken away. They would have all gone away from you. This is how Rasulullah ﷺ used to treat all the people, even the children, with all the respect, with all the kindness, with all the